Ikereka ria kana ria murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini rithiete na mbere na gwakiririo ni muthemba mweru wa COVID wa Delta na uria uragwatanio na ihenya. Kaunti ikumi cia mbere cia uria bururi uhutitio ni murimu wa COVID-19, kaunti ithano ni cia gatagati ga bururi ari kaunti ya Kiambu, Murang'a, Nyandarua, Laikipia na kaunti ya Nyeri.
No tukomeirwo ni murimu ucio wa COVID, thibitari citu no njioru ni kuritu muno na no wega tuthikanie andu aitu megitire na memenyerere na magerie gutumira kindu gitagwo masks na indo iria ingi ciagiriire.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Patrick Amoth augite aikari kuma icigo-ini ici matikoretwo magirumirira mawatho ma kuitana na murimu wa COVID-19 na uguo ni gukoretwo na kamweke kanene ka murimu uyu gutherema.
You look at the demographics of central Kenya, you find very many elderly people. Most of those elderly people tend to have coexistent morbidities, including diabetes, heart problems, hypertension, kidney problems, and therefore they are more at risk of getting severe disease and at increased risk of death.
Maya mokite oriri Ministry ugima wa mwiri hinyiriirie njanjo ya murimu wa COVID-19 ti ya kwendio guku bururi-ini uni thutha wa andu atatu wikiongono muthinyo wa ira makiendia njanjo muthemba wa Johnson & Johnson ona thengi ya gukorwo njanjo ino irekereirio muthi kuri mathibitari.
Fake J&J was nabbed through our surveillance system, working very closely with Nairobi Metropolitan nene, and 3 people have been arrested and will be arraigned in court.
Gukinyaniria na riu andu milioni 2.9 nio mamukirite njanjo ya mbere na ya keri ya murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini, ministry ikihithuria namba ya arume aria mareyumiria kwamukira njanjo iri iguru ikiringithanio na namba ya atumia.
More males getting vaccinated. Fully vaccinated, we have 55% of the fully vaccinated being males and 45% being females. Where in absolute numbers we have 1.15 million males vaccinated against 975,000 females.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.